Tonight, I'm working with a beautiful Barilla red lentil pasta. Made from lentil flour, so there's no gluten. Just gorgeous, right? Basic ingredients: chicken, ricotta, cut tomatoes, parsley, radicchio, lots of garlic. I like to get rid of all the ends of the garlic. Crush the garlic. Good splash of olive oil. Keep the fire on low heat so that it gives me time to cut the chicken. Pepper.
Make this really nice and spicy.
And I start cutting up my chicken very thin. The oil is starting to sizzle. Before the garlic gets brown, I'm going to add all my chicken. Cook this on high heat. High heat allows all the moisture to evaporate, and then it gets back to an oil base so it gets nice and crispy. While my chicken is cooking, I'm going to drop my lentil pasta inside salted boiling water, shaking it until it's all separated. And while that's cooking, back to my chicken, very high heat. Look at this garlic, really nice and brown. Who doesn't love nice crispy garlic? Delicious. Salt and pepper. Shut off the fire. 1, 2, 3 heaping, let's give it 4 heaping spoonfuls of ricotta, radicchio, parsley, taste the pasta, want it nice and al dente. Perfect. Strain it. Here's a little trick. Create a nice little whirlpool. Spin, 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 spin. Go in the center. Pick up. Always in the center. Turn my fire back on high. Cut tomatoes. Radicchio. Pasta. Give this a really good toss. You gotta love these colors. Fresh parsley. Shut off the fire. Keep tossing. Taste it with salt and pepper. More spice, because I really want this spicy. Splash of olive oil. Ho, ho, ho! Right in the center of the dish. Parsley on top. Drizzle olive oil. Look at this beautiful red lentil pasta, very spicy. And the greatest ingredient is that ricotta. That ricotta just makes it all creamy without having to use almost anything. Buon appetito!